Alright, let's talk about the next project. We've got a box project here. This is a Woods 1 project. It's the next Woods 1 project. And let's talk a little bit about the parts of the project and the sizing of the project. So quickly, if we just look at this, we've got just a kind of a standard box. It's kind of a jewelry box type setup. The lid on this box pivots a pin in the back wall, you'd say. Pivots all the way around. We've got 6 pieces. We've got a top piece, a bottom piece. We've got 2 front and back pieces here and here, long sides, and we've got 2 short sides. The bottom piece is held in a groove. It's cut on all 4 pieces. You can see that here. Right. It's recessed from the bottom of the project. The top piece, the actual top piece of wood, you can see it better here, is glued on to the box after the box is constructed. That's the piece right here in the seam there. We then take the box when the lid is, after the lid is glued in place, and we cut the lid off. And when we cut the lid off, we have this lip that's on the inside of the underside of the lid. Alright. Alright, so like I said, we got top, bottom, 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about the actual parts of our project. I've got a series of pieces that would make up a box project. They're here, and this will give you kind of a better idea of the sizing of the pieces we're going to need as we start the project. So I've got a top piece. You can see it is cut to 10 1/4 inches long. It is 6 1/4 inches wide, and it has a thickness of 1/2 inch. You'll also notice that I've got my name on all of these pieces. So as you cut yours, you'd like to do the same. Top, I've got pieces cut here so you can see how it kind of goes together. Got a bottom piece. It is 9 1/2 inches long. It is 5 1/2 inches wide, and it has a thickness of 1/4 inch. Okay. And we have now 2 long sides. They are mirror images of each other. So put them together. As you can see, they are the same. So we got long side 1 here. First, you should know that it's 10 inches in length and 3 1/2 inches in width. It's also 1/2 inch thick. All right, so those dimensions for the actual size. It has a groove in it. All right, that groove is down here. It is 1/4 inch from the bottom. It is 1/4 inch wide and 1/4 inch deep. See that direction. And we've got 2 rabbets, 1 on each end. And remember, rabbets have a width and a depth. In this case, you can see here the depth of the rabbit is 1/4 inch, and the width of the rabbit is 1/2 inch. On the long sides. And then for my short sides, again, they are mirror images of each other. These do not have the rabbets, they only have the groove. The groove is again 1/4 inch from the bottom. The groove is 1/4 inch wide and 1/4 inch deep. These pieces are 5 1/2 inches in length and 3 1/2 inches in width.